Old photos in your text messages can take up space and make conversations harder to manage. Here's how to quickly remove unwanted pictures from any message thread on your Android phone. Step 1. Start by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Messages app. This is the app you normally use to send and receive SMS or MMS messages. Step 2. Browse through your message list and tap the conversation that contains the picture you want to delete. Wait for the chat to fully load before continuing. Step 3. Scroll through the conversation until you locate the image you'd like to remove. If the conversation is long, take your time to find the correct photo before deleting it. Step 4. Touch and hold the picture until it becomes selected. A toolbar or menu will appear at the top of the screen with additional options. Step 5. If you want to delete multiple pictures at the same time, tap any additional images after the first one is selected. This lets you remove several photos in a single action. Step 6. Once you've selected all the images you want to remove, tap the trash icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 7. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the selected picture or pictures. Tap Delete to complete the process. Your selected pictures have now been removed from the conversation. Thanks for following along, and be sure to check out more simple Android tutorials for helpful tips and tricks.